It's no more news that ChatGPT 3.5 has an upgraded version, which is ChatGPT 4.0. And then if you go to ChatGPT 3.5 and you want to change to GPT-4, if you click on it, it will ask you to pay $20 per month to access the higher version of ChatGPT. But in today's tutorial, I'll be showing us how we can access this GPT-4 for free. I mean free. You don't need to pay any money, and I've used it to create tools for my website. You can also use it to write article and any other thing that you might want to do. Right? So my name is Ikotunlowa Segun for Web Ideas TV, and in this channel we talk about online money making opportunities, AI that can enhance our businesses online, and also social media marketing and social media boosting. So let's dive into it. What gives us access to GPT-4 for free is the partnership of OpenAI with Microsoft, and they come up with an app called Copilot. And so Copilot is using ChatGPT-4. So whatever you can get on OpenAI GPT-4, you can also get it on Copilot. And so what you need to do is to go to your Play Store. So it's also available on desktop. If you go to Microsoft Edge, you will see it there. So, but for your phone, what you need to do is to go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store and then download Bing. So once you download Bing, the latest version, you can see Bing chat with AI and GPT-4, because I already installed it on my phone, and that is why you can see it too. And also I also use it on my laptop for a lot of things. Like I said earlier, I use it to create a tool. If you check my website, you will see some of the tools I've created on webideasnetwork.com. So you can see. Let me go back so that you can understand what I'm saying. You can see this when you open Bing. This is what you will see. You can see, so right, this is Copilot. That is Copilot. So when you click on it, then it will take you to Copilot interface operating. So you switch it on. You can see it's off now. So let me switch it on. And then you can do anything you want to do with a GPT-4. So for example, let's say give me most trending topics on social media marketing to rank my. You can tap to if it is right. Yes, rank my website, and then enter. Then in a few seconds you will get reply. So it will go to make research, and then to start giving you the answer. You can see. You can see. Okay, let me now say give me blog title to rank my website in Google search engine. Right, act as a keyword planner based on your many years of experience. So when you are prompting your AI, you need to be well detailed. You can make him to act as, you can give him personality. So when you give it personality, it will give you more detailed answer. Give him personality, give him detail about what you want him to do, and then you get a well detailed answer. And you can see, come up with mastering social media marketing strategies for skyrocketing your website SEO. The second one, the ultimate guide to SEO content creation in social media marketing. So I can now copy I cannot copy this now and say write full article on, then I can paste down. Alright, then you're gonna say, as a webmaster of many years of experience, give me SEO friendly and engaging content on this topic. Then to start working, here comes it. Okay, right, you can see. So that is how you can access GPT-4 for free using Copilot. It's easy. You can use it on Microsoft browser, right? You can also use it on your mobile phone. On people that are using Android, just go to Play Store and download Bing. When you download Bing, and then at the lower part you will see the symbol for Copilot, which I showed us earlier on, and then you can now start to access GPT-4 for free. It's the beauty part of it that it will give you references so that it won't affect your SEO ranking when you post it. And then of course, always edit what AI gives you, right? Always add human influence into it. In the next video, I'll be showing us how to use it to write article that is plagiarism free, and then Google will not see it as AI written content, right? So that is it for today. So you now know how to access GPT-4 for free, so go there and try it. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel in case you have not done so that you'll be notified whenever we post amazing content like this. Thank you, God bless, bye bye, and see you in another video.